Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create HTML tables in Power Automate Flow. This is a super useful feature when you need to convert your data arrays into clean, structured HTML tables for emails, reports, or any automated workflows. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Power Automate account credentials. This will give you access to all the flow creation tools and features you'll need for building your automation. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, locate and click on the Create option. This is where you'll start building your new flow from scratch. From the menu that appears, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger automations manually, which is perfect for testing and running processes on demand. Next, you'll see several trigger options. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow, then click the Create button to set up your new flow. Now that your flow is initialized, you'll see the flow canvas where you can add actions. Click the plus icon to add a new step. In the search bar that appears, type Initialize Variable and click on it when it shows up in the results. This action is essential because it creates a container to store your data array before converting it into an HTML table. Once the Initialize Variable action is added, you'll need to configure it. First, give your variable a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later in your flow. Something like My Data Array works well. Next, click the drop-down menu under Type and select Array from the list. This tells Power Automate that your variable will hold multiple data items structured as an array. Now, in the Value field, paste the array data you want to convert into an HTML table. Make sure your array is properly formatted with the correct syntax so the conversion works smoothly. With your variable set up, it's time to create the HTML table. Click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, click on Data Operations from the menu, then select Create HTML Table. This powerful action takes your array data and transforms it into a structured HTML table format that you can use in various applications. In the Create HTML Table action, you'll see a field labeled From. Click on this field, then click the lightning bolt icon to open the Dynamic Content panel. From the list of available variables, click on the name of the variable you created earlier. This connects your data array directly to the table creation process, ensuring that all your information is included in the output. Now, click on Advanced Parameters to access additional customization options. From the expanded menu, click on Columns. Under the column settings, you'll see a drop-down menu. Make sure it's set to Automatic. This setting allows Power Automate to automatically detect and format the columns based on your array structure, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Your automation is now fully configured and ready to run. You can click the Save button to store your flow, and whenever you're ready, simply trigger it manually to generate your HTML table. The flow will process your array data and output a clean, formatted HTML table that you can use in emails, SharePoint lists, or any other platform that supports HTML. And that's it! You've successfully created an HTML table automation in Power Automate Flow. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.